So, here in example 5, what we're going to do is we're going to have to write a linear combination of unit vectors. Now, when we look at unit vectors, we can rewrite a lot of our vectors from component form. Remember, component form is just whenever you have numbers like this with the arrows. We can rewrite those in terms of I and j. So, anytime you write something as a linear combination, then it is written as unit vectors I and j. So if we start with 5, -2 in component form, your linear combination would just be a 5i minus 2j. So these mean the same thing. They're just, one's written as vectors and one is written as multiples of scalars in terms of I and j. So for example 5, we're going to let u be the vector with initial point -2, 6 and terminal point -8, 3. First we have to write u as a linear combination, or then we have to write it as a linear combination. So the first thing we have to do is we need to find the component form for our vector. So find the component form. So that means that we're going to take our terminal point and we're going to subtract our initial point. So we're going to start with -8, 3, and we need to subtract our values with the -6 and 6. So writing in component form, get your arrows, and we're going to start with your terminal point, -8, and subtract the -2, comma, 3 minus 6, which is going to give us in component form this becomes a positive 2, so -8 plus 2 gives us a -6, comma 3 plus a -6 gives us -3. Now when we write this as a linear combination, we write it in terms of I and j. Terms of I and j. So if we start with -6, -3, that can just be rewritten as a -6i, make that I a little bigger, minus 3j. And there is your linear combination.